Dang, look at that.
Yeah.
Also, I'm wearing Urban Air socks. Welcome back to another vid. So, yeah, welcome to a documentary of a huge snowstorm. Anyway, let's go. Okay, so you guys might be wondering, Saw Pop Rocks, it's sunny, and it's 65 degrees. Well, shut your little mouth, because Friday and Saturday and Sunday, we meet doom. Anyway, yeah. So, tonight we're prepping. If you guys haven't seen my community post for the plumbing, basically I'll try to make it less gross. Basically, water is in the pipes under the house, and water can go uphill. It can only go downhill. And there's supposed to be a slope, but some ding-dong decided more. So, my dad's trying to get the landlords. Hopefully they can come tomorrow or Friday, because Friday night is when the big stuff happens. And if not, then everything will back up and we will not be able to take a dookie, which we already can't take a dookie, so yeah. And I wish I could show y'all, but I don't want to get canceled, which I don't think y'all would want to see it. Anyway, actually, and I don't want to see it either. Anyway, yeah. So we're probably going to go shopping. I'm probably going to get some Hot Wheels, water. But if the power goes out, we're cooked. This may be my last video. Maybe my Subway Surfers was my last. Who knows? But, here we go. Since we can't use any water because then my toilets will bubble and they blow the house down. Just kidding. Anyway, we need to avoid the pipes freezing, so we have to drip the faucets and open the cabinets. Okay, guys, so it's the end of today. So, basically, there's an issue with the plumber. The plumber's not helping, so we might be cooked. But a plumber is coming to blow it out, and we're gonna force him to fix it. So, yeah. Anyway, it's the end of tonight. If all this melts, everything will back up. And we'll be cooked. See you guys tomorrow on day 2! Well, someone's coming to fix it. Ain't that great? Anyway, I wonder what else today has in store for us. Welcome to day 2. Okay, so a lot has changed. Especially the freaking weather. So hopefully we can get a few things from the store before they're out of everything. Hopefully. Oh man, see rescue. Anyway, yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna try to beg my mom so I can leave early tomorrow because I do not want to go. Anywho, the plumbers are coming today at 5. I don't know why 5 or later or God bless not tomorrow. But yeah. We'll see you at the store. Dang, look at that.
Yeah.
Ooh, this is a big clock. I didn't record us going to stores because we never actually went. the stores are wiped. Our house actually almost flooded because, yeah, luckily everything's fine. The snaker got stuck, and it's nighttime, and they're still here. Wah ha ha ha! You meet your doom today, Doomsday. As you guys can see, I don't think y'all can see the drizzle, but it's like sprinkling, misty. That's weird. 7 p.m. is when hell starts. Luckily, the people are coming. Hopefully, they come out at the right time. But yeah. All right. See you guys in a sec. Okay, guys, the weather has changed even more. So, as you can see, the temperature has actually dropped. I'm actually wearing a jacket. It's raining, and we're going to the store. So we'll see you there. It's 30 now. It's coming at 9 p.m. Okay, guys, it is raining. It's literally, we're at Tom Farm first. Our reed got cut off there. It's raining. I got my ET toboggan on. Really comes in handy too. Yeah, here we go. Open sesame. Oh, it's actually kind of not as bad as I thought. I thought everything would be sold. Well, run. Okay, so we made it out. My phone is soaked. I did record me doing a goofy run, but yeah, I did decide to cut it. Anyway, here we go. Fast, icy, storm day. Oh, it's raining. Great. So the weather's changed again. So you can see there's snow on the ground. It's actually kind of raining. Now, sure, there's not much snow and there's more ice, and the wind chills is up to 15 degrees. Whoa, look at that water. It's not ice, but this is ice. You see, we busted out the scarf. ET scarf, by the way. Oh man, it's freezing rain. Anyway, see you guys in a sec when it stops. Also, I'm wearing Urban Air socks. And the ones I wore in Urban Air movie one. You guys want to hear some ASMR, Ben? Wow. That did not do anything. Okay, that's crazy. Look at that. Oh, man. I love things like cracking. I like glass cracking, so yeah. It's stuck on. That was less satisfying, but this is all just ice. Yeah, I took that off earlier. Wait. Oh, wow. That's cool. Hold on, I'm gonna like chip the ice. Oh, yeah, look at that. Also, sorry for the gold on my pants. I was painting a lot. All right. This is not rain. This is little ice pellets. Look at that. They're like perfect, like little beans. They're like little, like Beanie Babies? They're like the little ball in like the Beanie Babies. It's crazy. I could fill a whole Beanie Baby with that. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go look for a few things. Yeah. Yeah. I think we got enough things at home, but I do want to get something. I don't know. But we'll see you guys in a sec. So, it stopped snowing for like a few minutes, and now it's starting back. Oh God, it's cold. All right, guys, this.
Oh no, that's way too hard.
It's like froze. Anyway, guys, there's a problem. This is leaking. Look at that. That's satisfying. Wow. So that's leaking. That might be a problem. I don't know, but yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna have some fun. So it is gotten later. This snow pile has gotten bigger. The plumbing has gotten a little worse, but we're gonna have fun in the snow and make the best of it. Here goes nothing. Ooh. Oh. Oh my god. Okay, guys. Yeah. Guys, it just started sleeting out of nowhere.
Rory,
What?
how did it do that? It was only 27 minutes.
Come on. It just started sleeting out of nowhere. Don't worry, guys. I was okay not seeing YouTube. Don't cancel me. I was fine. It's not even Christmas. Why can't they just take their freaking stuff? Hey guys, so it's like not. I don't know if y'all can hear this, but it is sleeting like no other before. So yeah. Oh my god! Holy! Look at this, guys. I don't know if y'all can see that, but oh my Jesus! Oh, holy! So I'm wearing cowboy boots because my other boots actually broke. And it's slick.
Yeah, it's like, oh yeah.
So. Yay. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe and don't drink too much soda.